All right, so people message me all the time wanting to know what to look at when they're managing their Facebook ad campaigns. Now in this video, you're going to discover a way that you can look at your ad campaigns, but the problem with that particular situation is it really varies depending on your business model that you're using, along with the stage that your campaign is in. So for the purpose of this video, what I'm going to do is I'm going to assume that your business model is doing some form of lead generation, and that you are just beginning a brand new campaign and you have tested nothing, you have no proof of concept. That's where most people are starting from. So we'll go ahead and show you exactly what to look for when you're starting a campaign where you're doing lead generation and you're just starting that right out, so that you know the metrics to look for in order to create a campaign that's going to be successful for you and your business. So the first thing that you're looking for when you're managing a brand new campaign that's doing lead gen is you're actually looking for proof of concept on two different components of your strategy. You're first looking for proof of concept on your ad. Now, what we're trying to do is see if your ad is actually resonating with the audiences that you're targeting. We measure that in two different ways. We measure it with the click-through rate, which is the percentage of people that see your ad and actually click on the ad. Now, Facebook has a metric that they call the outbound clicks and the outbound click-through rate. What we've seen throughout the years after spending millions of dollars on Facebook ads is that if you can achieve at least a 1% outbound click-through rate, meaning more than 1% of the people who see your ad are clicking and going over to your landing page, then you have a pretty good proof of concept that your ad is resonating with your target audience. The other thing that we're looking for is we're looking for our cost per click on those initial ads, because the 1% CTR may not be good enough. You see, the CTR that you get actually helps Facebook determine what they're going to charge you for your traffic. So you can get a higher CTR with a better ad, and it will actually lower down your cost per click. So if you're getting that 1% CTR, but your cost per click is out of alignment with the numbers that you need to have in order to make your funnel work, then you know that you have a creative problem and you need to work on that particular creative to get the CTR up so that that CPC, or cost per click, drops down into the range that it needs to be in order for your campaign to be a success. The second thing that we're looking for in terms of proof of concept right out of the gate in a lead generation model is we're looking for proof of concept on your landing page. Does your landing page convert a high enough percentage of those outbound clicks from your ad that go to the landing page to get the amount of leads and the cost per lead that you need to have in order to make your business model work? So in that initial phase, we're measuring those things, and we can do that with all of the Facebook traffic tracking that the Pixel provides for us, and we can look and see if those numbers all make sense. Now, if you get the right CTR that you're looking for, you get the right CPC that you're looking for, you get the right landing page conversion rate that you're looking for, which gives you the cost per lead that you're looking for, then what you do is you go into the next phase, which is getting proof of concept of actual sale. So once all those initial front-end metrics are working right, then you keep pumping traffic through, getting more leads through, and you're going to monitor the conversion rate of your lead to sale. If you run all of your numbers beforehand using our guaranteed profitability formula, you know exactly what that conversion rate needs to be. Typically, in most business models, you need to convert at least 1% of your leads into a customer in order to have a profitable campaign. So when your front-end metrics are working right, you keep pumping those leads through, and then you're going to measure that conversion rate and see if that works right. If it doesn't, then you're going to need to make some strategic changes to your marketing funnel to get that thing working right. Then once it's working right, you're in profitability, you can scale up the campaign. Now, coming back to our initial phase where we're trying to get that proof of concept on your ad and your opt-in page, if you answer no to any of those different things, if your CTR is less than 1%, if your CPC is too high, your cost per lead is too high, then that tells you you have problems with your landing page and or your ad, and you need to keep making changes there until your numbers work right. Then you can move into that phase 2, which is getting proof of concept to sale. That's what you're looking for in a brand new lead generation campaign where you're trying to produce sales and you're starting from scratch. Those are the things that you look at in your campaign and how you use that data to then make strategic changes so that you can make your campaign profitable and be a success for you and your business. So the next thing that you want to look at inside of an initial lead generation campaign like this is for opportunities to tighten things up and get rid of stuff that is clearly not working inside of your campaign. We call this the optimization process. So when you start this type of campaign, what you're doing is you're going to be testing a whole variety of different audiences with your ad. And when you start analyzing the data, you're going to have ads that you're spending money on and are not producing leads. So what that means is there's just not a match between that particular audience and that ad. So what we do to optimize is we just simply turn those ads off, and then we'll go into the next part, which is looking for opportunities to scale the ones that are working. So you'll have additional ads that are clearly working, they're producing leads for you within the numbers that you're looking for. And so what we want to do is take the budgets that we've from the ads that we've shut off, and we reallocate that into the ones where they're working so we can start to scale up those budgets and get more of those leads coming through in the costs that we're looking for. That's how we tighten up the campaign, get a good flow of things that are working coming into the marketing funnel so that we can get that proof of concept to sale as quickly as possible within the campaign. So if you look at those 3 areas, you're going to be able to put together a campaign, analyze the data, and then grow it into a success through management of it, and you will be happy with your business and making the money that you're looking for. All right, so if you found this video to be of value and you're interested in being able to have a huge advantage that will allow you to put together and scale Facebook ads that sell, then I got something super cool for you. So what I've done is I put together a free PDF that will walk you through our $1 million ad framework. This framework is what has produced all of the most profitable ads that we've ever done for our clients. In fact, we've had over 17 ads that have produced individually $1 million in sales each using this format. On this PDF, I'll walk you through all the different elements, and I'll actually give you an example of one of these ads that has produced $1 million so you can see what all of the different elements are and you can understand the ideas behind them so you can model it into your own business. Now, what I'm also going to do is take this one step further for you. On top of that PDF, I'm going to give you a video that I call the Lazy Man's Guide to Targeting with Facebook Ads. This video will walk you through the exact steps that we go through with all of our huge successful clients to get the profit-producing targets on Facebook so that you can use the ad framework that I'm going to give you to put out to audiences that have the highest probability of bringing you a return on your investment and allowing your campaigns to be successful. So if that's something that you're interested in getting, here's what you got to do. Just go ahead and click the link that we put in the description below. There might be one on the video, there might be one above the video or to the side of the video, you never know. There will be something on this page that you can click on that's going to take you to a page of my website where you can enter your email, and I'm going to send you that PDF along with that video so you can get a leg up and a huge advantage on starting your Facebook ad campaigns. I look forward to seeing your success. This is Jason Hornung to the Victor Belong the Spoils.